Hi, it's Tasha with WTI.
This is a beautiful, high quality ingredient moisturizing face mask that I enjoy putting on every night. I am in love with this water sleeping mask from LANEIGE. It really boosts my mood just to be able to put something so refreshing on at night. It has such a wonderful texture. It says water booster, and it really is. I feel so relieved and hydrated when I put them on. I feel like it really helps my overall mood and also benefits my skin. It's super creamy and just easy to apply. I look forward to putting it on my skin every night because I love the way it feels. It easily absorbs into my skin and I feel refreshed and relaxed as I apply it. The color is so beautiful as well. I don't know how they were able to make the gel and the container match so perfectly, but they nailed this product.
And that's my point of view.